We went to paddleboard in Newport Harbor around Balboa Island. We brought our inflatable paddleboards and launched off a public dock on Balboa Island. The water was a bit rocky initially since we were in the main channel with boats passing by. As we made our way around to the other side of Balboa, the waters were more calm. It was fun going through the canals and under the bridges. Newport Harbor is a great place for paddleboarding, and we loved exploring around Balboa Island.